Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good and resonating with the readings. So, we are on the last day of this amazing June month. I had started my June month on Fridays with simple pujas and tips for Lakshmi ji, for abundance to come, for prosperity to come, and for happiness to come. So, again, coming back to the readings today, since the month has come to an end and we are going to welcome July with amazing energies, I want you all to pick 21 laddus today. Bundi laddus, 21 laddus, 21 bananas, and if possible, 21 betel leaves. Take the count of this and keep it in front of Mahalakshmi ji. And along with that, keep a small 21 suparis. So 21 betel leaves, 21 suparis, and then 21 bundi ke laddus. Keep all these things and just seek her blessings. And when you're seeking her blessings, if possible, burn 3 diyas, okay, 3 lamps. In one lamp you should add ghee, in one lamp gingerly oil, and in one lamp you can add coconut oil, and in the ghee lamp add a small elaichi, cardamom. In the gingerly oil add star anise, and in the coconut oil add a small piece of cinnamon, a small stick of cinnamon. And here the Shri Suktam, if possible, in YouTube you get Shri Suktam. Here the Shri Suktam followed by Bhagya Suktam today. SHRI Shri, SUKTHM Shri Suktam, and BHAGYA Bhagya Suktam today. And after that, out of this 21, keep little for you and donate the rest to the needy and the poor, and also feed some animal, some pet. It can be a cow also today, out of the prasad that you have kept. And July is going to bring in loads of blessings. So let's see what are the cards telling today. Wow, that's a beautiful goddess which has come today. The Meenakshi Amman, the Madurai Meenakshi, is one of the most powerful goddess. Can you see the color green in the card? It's as if that whatever tips I have given, even the goddess is happy, and she is just ready to bless you all. She is waiting to give you loads and loads of abundance. Actually today then you should wear the color green, because the green is so prominent here when I am seeing her card. Actually I'm very happy when I saw the goddess Meenakshi card. It is basically success in job, success in business, success in money, unexpected beautiful surprises, and loads of blessings are coming from her the coming month. So be prepared, keep your arms open to receive loads of blessings today and also in the month of July. I'm very happy that the reading has come this way, and I shall pray that Goddess Lakshmi, Meenakshi Amman, Mariamman, Varahi Devi, all the Devis bless you with all the happiness, health, wealth and success. May all your desires come true. May you be blessed with loads and loads and loads of happiness from them. Have a beautiful and a Lakshmi Ma blessed day.